How to update Instagram on Android. Hey everybody, if you'd like to update Instagram on an Android device, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So navigate to the Google Play Store on your device. Open up the Google Play Store app on your Android device. After that, you can use the search bar, tap on it, and in the search, just go ahead and type in Instagram and find Instagram in your results. And once you find it, just go ahead and check for updates. So if an update is available, you will be seeing an update button next to the Instagram listing. You can tap on the update button to download and install the latest version, and the update will download and install automatically. Once the update is complete, you can open up Instagram to use the latest version, and that is it. So if you'd like to update your Instagram in your device, you may also head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.